Sydney, you know how to drive? So cool. Okay, go straight. Yeah, go straight. See you later, boys. Bye. Are you guys changing or switching already?
No, Mommy, nothing's going to back. I want to talk on the driver's seat.
Oh, he wants to drive now. Switch.
Yeah. Sydney, my turn.
Sydney, it's his turn. Watch out, you're going to run over his feet. Look at Stella.
Yeah. Come on, Auntie. Hey.
He wants to drive. Look at them. Careful, girls.